160-200 km per hour on trial basis with a view to putting in place a fast and reliable disaster management system. Progressive induction of gas worthy LHB coaches having anti-climb feature, 17 bridges on IR which have been identified as distressed have been sanctioned for rehabilitation to be completed over next 1 year. Madam accidents caused due to fire, even though very infrequent, have been a major cause for concern. Some of the measures taken include provision of comprehensive fire and smoke detection system on pilot basis, proven of portable fire extinguisher in God come break vans, AC coaches and pantry cars in all trains, enhanced use of fire retardant furnishing materials in coaches, social awareness campaigns for observance of safe practices with a view to provide long-term perspective and focused attention for enhancing safety. I propose to initiate an exercise of making corporate safety plan for a 10-year period 2014-24. The railway family is deeply grieved by some incident of death of elephants on railway tracks passing through forest areas. Several measures have been initiated in consultation with Ministry of Environment and Forest, which I am confident will substantially reduce such accidents and safeguard the lives of these gentle giants to strengthen the security of rail passengers, especially women passengers. Railways have already created 4 companies of women RPF personnel and another 8 would be set up. Requirement to RPF is being conducted with 10% vacancies reserved for women. The presence of women RPF personnel will be further strengthened with the field units. Many trains are being escorted by government, railway police and railway protection force in sensitive sections. Further, the ladies' special local trains in metropolitan cities are being escorted by lady RPF staff. Security helpline numbers have been made available on several zonal railways to facilitate passengers in reporting any untoward incidents for immediate intervention. The widespread disappointment of the traveling public with the state of cleanliness and hygiene at stations and trains, bed rolls and catering has often been highlighted in this august house. As a frequent rail traveler, I have experienced this personally. Resource constraint cannot be a reason for substandard services, and efforts need to be directed for providing reasonable quality of facilities to rail users. I am committed to bring about a marked change in the level of passenger amenities. It is my firm belief that railways' efforts towards introducing new trains or extending the run or frequency of existing trains should not be at the cost of amenities for passengers and safety. Some of the measures taken proposed